In the lab, it's, anong date ngayon? January 20, 30. It's 30. Yeah, and these are the boards that they finished soldering. This is revision number 8. Yeah, so, yan no, dami. So, this was the table I used a while ago for the demo. And these are the desktops that we used last school year. There were Apple products, but we're running Windows from my old projects or design. So you have 3D printers. Yan, dami oh. These are the parts, different parts. Motor drivers. Another set of boards. Microcontroller boards. DIY 3D printed caster wheels, cables, spare parts, caster wheels without the marble, so for assembly na lang yan. There we won't be buying LEDs, caster wheels, commercial motors, soldering paste, distance sensors. These are the line trackers, cables. So this is the back side of the 3D printers, and this is a 3D printer we're trying to fix. Still have to buy some parts. The cover, wheels without the silicone, motor mounts, shaft mounts, which goes to the wheel. So it goes like that. Nuts, standoffs. Of course, we still have to buy our own zipper bags. This is a silicone wires for the motors, another wire for the motors, and these were wires from another meant for something else, but we actually just prepared it for emergency purposes. In case na mabusan ng wire, meron kami, so we scavenge. And stickers, security stickers, we had this made based on the design that we asked our one department in our school to do for us. If we will have it made, mura lang din siya. And then other deliveries. So okay, version 8, headers. What else do we have there? And the soldering space there. So this is where they solder. Yan. So they put everything together. And I need more buzzers for my projects at home. So I'll get some. Hey. Pero mura-mura lang siya. And of course, some buttons. You need those buttons. They're all soldered here. Diyan sila. And then for the exhaust, we do DIY. Ayan o. Yan, puro DIY yan. So, kung saan nakapulot yan. We just connected things. And then, ito. Iba. Ito. Oh, may speaker. So, nag-DIY din sila. Oo, yun. So, they do DIY. And, ayan. So, busy po ang lab na to. This is the original soldering area. Okay. So, this is meant for soldering surface SMD, surface mount. What is D? I forgot what D means. Never mind. Anyway, so we have those, including the emergency button. This is actually DIY too. As you can see, this is also DIY. And would you believe a parent did this? Parent po gumawa niyan. Tumambay lang siya dito, pinatrabaho ko na siya. Di ba si ano to, Sir Raj gumawa, no? Si Raj gumawa. At lala niya, no? Tambay lang siya rito, pinatrabaho natin siya. Okay. And then next week I'll do a demo here. And here is another board which is supposed to be open source, but hindi mo siya actually magamit for open source projects kasi medyo hirap siya intindihin. So part of the design is to make sure that people who will use the PCB that I made will be very easy, or will not have a hard time. The PC is also DIY, so it's always open because we keep on modifying it, and we actually don't throw things away. We put them there kahit yung mga gamit na, yung mga pinagtabasan doon pa rin, because we can still find a use for that. Yan, so mukha siyang basura pero hindi siya mga basura, may mga gamit pa siya tulad nito, di ba? Still have a purpose for that. So wag mo na itapon, tago lang muna. We'll make use of that. Including those. Yan, pwede pang maayos yan. And asan yung solder wires? Ubus na sa akin. Yan, pengin dalawa. Yan. So, gano'ng karami solder wires natin. Pakita natin gano'ng karami solder wires natin. Yan po. At puno yan last time, no? Ayun. See? Pengin dalawa. At ubus na yung sa akin. Up. Alam niyo paano maglinis ng ng soldering iron? Kita niyo ito ang gamitin niyo panglinis. Yan. So I get my supplies so I can continue working at home. Yan. So I just come here to check on things, to do the demo, because internet is okay here. What else? Even more wires, more cables. Also another thing, if you're having hard time, it is also possible that the cable is you have a problem with the cable, so you might want to check if your cable is okay. So get another cable, mini USB cable, and try if it works. If it works, then there's a problem with the cable. Okay. And also we have a different header. Yeah, we also ordered that abroad. Yeah. But of course, we didn't figure out things overnight. We have to figure it out, well, for a very long time. That's why we're sharing everything to you, so that you don't have to figure out everything. You already have a jump start of how things actually are done. So there, that's it. And we'll do more demos next week. Bye-bye.